Welcome to our journey of rewiring your brain for wealth in just 30 days. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract financial success effortlessly while others struggle? The answer often lies in mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs about money can significantly influence your financial outcomes. By shifting your mindset, you can unlock new opportunities and pave the way for abundance. In this video, we'll explore actionable strategies to transform your financial mindset, empowering you to take control of your financial future. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of purpose, ready to seize opportunities that come your way. The benefits of this transformation are immense: greater confidence, improved decision-making, and the ability to attract wealth into your life. So, if you're ready to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace a wealthier mindset, stick around. Let's dive into the steps that will help you rewire your brain for financial success in just 30 days. A wealth mindset is a positive and proactive approach to thinking about money and abundance. It encompasses beliefs and attitudes that empower individuals to pursue financial success and make informed financial decisions. When you cultivate a wealth mindset, you begin to see opportunities rather than obstacles, allowing you to take calculated risks that can lead to greater financial rewards. However, many people struggle with limiting beliefs that hinder their ability to accumulate wealth. These beliefs might include thoughts like money is the root of all evil or I'll never be rich. Such negative perceptions can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, preventing you from taking the necessary steps toward financial growth. Now, take a moment to reflect on your current beliefs about money. Are they serving you or holding you back? By identifying and challenging these limiting beliefs, you can start to shift your mindset and open the door to new financial possibilities. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. To embark on your journey toward a wealth mindset, the first step is identifying your own limiting beliefs about money. Common examples include thoughts like, I'll never be good with money, wealth is only for the lucky, or I don't deserve to be rich. These beliefs can create mental barriers that prevent you from pursuing financial opportunities. One effective way to uncover your personal beliefs is through journaling or self-reflection. Set aside some quiet time to write down your thoughts about money. Ask yourself questions like, what do I truly believe about wealth? Or how do I feel when I think about financial success? This process can reveal hidden beliefs that may be holding you back. Recognizing these limiting beliefs is crucial for change. Once you bring them to light, you can challenge and reframe them, paving the way for a more empowering financial mindset. Remember, awareness is the first step toward transformation. Setting clear and achievable wealth goals is essential for transforming your financial mindset. One effective method for goal setting is the SMART criteria, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, a SMART goal would be, I will save $5,000 for a vacation by December 31st. Visualization is another powerful tool. Take a moment to picture your financial goals in vivid detail. Imagine what achieving those goals would feel like and how it would impact your life. Finally, writing down your goals is crucial for accountability. When you put your goals on paper, you create a tangible commitment to yourself. Regularly review and update your goals to stay on track and maintain your motivation. Daily affirmations are a powerful tool to reinforce a wealth mindset and reshape your beliefs about money. By repeating positive statements, you can train your brain to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Some powerful wealth affirmations include, I am worthy of financial success. Money flows to me effortlessly, and I attract opportunities for wealth and prosperity. To maximize their effectiveness, make it a habit to repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning or before bed. This consistent practice helps embed these positive beliefs into your subconscious mind, gradually shifting your perspective on wealth. The science behind affirmations lies in their ability to influence neural pathways in the brain. Research shows that positive affirmations can reduce stress and increase self-esteem, leading to improved decision-making and resilience. By incorporating daily affirmations into your routine, you not only cultivate a wealth mindset, but also empower yourself to take actionable steps toward achieving your financial goals. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating a mental image of your financial goals and desires. The process is simple. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and vividly imagine yourself achieving your wealth goals. Picture the details, what you're doing, how you feel, and the environment around you. One effective way to enhance your visualization practice is by creating a vision board. Gather images, quotes, and symbols that represent your financial aspirations and arrange them on a board. Place this board somewhere you'll see it daily, serving as a constant reminder of your goals and reinforcing your commitment to achieving them. Emotional connection is crucial in visualization. The more you can feel the emotions associated with your success, joy, gratitude, and excitement, the more powerful your visualization becomes. By combining clear imagery with strong emotions, you can effectively manifest wealth and attract opportunities into your life. Financial education is a crucial component of achieving lasting wealth. Understanding how money works empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid pitfalls, and seize opportunities. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you are to manage your money effectively. To improve your financial literacy, consider exploring a variety of resources. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey offer valuable insights into wealth-building strategies. Additionally, online courses from platforms like Coursera or Udemy can provide structured learning on topics such as investing, budgeting, and financial planning. Staying informed about financial news and trends is equally important. Follow reputable financial news sources and podcasts to keep up with market changes and economic developments. This knowledge not only enhances your understanding, but also empowers you to make better financial decisions. Connecting with like-minded individuals is a vital step in your journey toward financial growth. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, insights, and collaborations that can accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Surrounding yourself with people who share similar goals can inspire you, provide valuable advice, and keep you accountable. Consider joining groups or communities focused on wealth building, such as local investment clubs, online forums, or social media groups dedicated to financial education. These platforms allow you to engage with others, share experiences, and learn from those who have successfully navigated their financial journeys. When networking, focus on building genuine relationships rather than just seeking immediate benefits. Attend events, engage in conversations, and follow up with new contacts to nurture these connections. Be open to sharing your own knowledge and experiences, as this reciprocity fosters trust and collaboration. Remember, a strong wealth network can provide support, motivation, and resources that significantly enhance your financial success. Are you ready to transform your financial mindset? Join us for a 30-day challenge designed to implement the strategies you've learned. Each day, you'll tackle a specific task that will help you rewire your brain for wealth. For example, day 1 could focus on identifying your limiting beliefs, while day 15 might involve creating a vision board for your financial goals. Consistency and commitment are key to making lasting changes. Set aside time each day to complete your tasks and hold yourself accountable. You might even consider finding a buddy to join you on this journey, as sharing your experiences can enhance motivation. Tracking your progress is essential. Keep a journal or use an app to document your daily tasks and reflections. Celebrate small wins along the way, whether it's completing a task or achieving a mini goal. Recognizing these achievements will boost your confidence and reinforce your commitment to building a wealthier future. Let's get started on this transformative journey together. As we wrap up our discussion on rewiring your brain for wealth, let's recap the key points. A positive mindset is crucial for achieving financial success. By identifying and challenging limiting beliefs, setting clear wealth goals, and utilizing daily affirmations and visualization techniques, you can transform your relationship with money. Remember, the journey to financial abundance is not just about knowledge. It's about taking actionable steps. Start implementing the strategies we discussed today, whether it's creating a vision board, joining a wealth-building community, or committing to our 30-day challenge. Each small action contributes to your overall progress. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on financial growth and mindset transformation. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a community focused on achieving financial success and empowering one another. Thank you for watching, and let's embark on this journey to wealth together.